3 iPhone battery saving tips that you need to know. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and I will guide you with 3 iPhone battery saving tips that you need to know. First, dim the screen and enable auto brightness. So, from the top right of your screen, scroll down and you will be led to the control center. Further, go ahead and lower screen brightness. Also, launch the Settings application and tap on Accessibility and then on Display Text and Size. Further, go ahead and enable the toggle button for auto brightness. Next, you can reduce motion and keyboard haptics. So go ahead and launch the Settings application and tap on Accessibility and then tap on Motion. Here, go ahead and enable the Reduce Motion toggle button. This reduces animation uses across your iPhone. Next, go back to Settings and tap on Sounds and Haptics and then tap on Keyboard Feedback option. Further, go ahead and turn off haptic. And lastly, you can try to turn off background app refresh. So in settings again, tap on general and then on background app refresh. And further, go ahead and disable background app refresh for all or selected apps. So these were 3 iPhone battery saving tips that you need to know. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.